In today's video, I'm going to teach you some effective ways to contact Amazon customer service. Whether you're dealing with an issue regarding your order, account, payments, or something else, knowing how to reach out to their support team can save you a lot of hassle and time. Let's dive into the different methods you can use to get in touch with Amazon's customer service. First up is Amazon's Help or Contact Us page. To access this, you can go directly through the Amazon website or mobile app by navigating to the Help section and then Customer Service. Once you're there, you'll find various categories like orders, accounts, payments, or returns. It's a good idea to select the category that most closely relates to your issue. In some cases, the online help provided might not fully address your problem. When that happens, look for options such as Contact Us, I Need More Help, or Talk to a Representative. These options will often guide you to chat or phone call prompts, where you can connect with a real person. Speaking of real-time assistance, Amazon also offers a live chat feature. On the Help or Customer Service page, choosing options like Something Else or I Need More Help will usually lead you to a chat option. Live chat can be particularly useful for discussing your concerns as they happen. You're able to chat with a customer service agent right there and then, providing a more immediate solution to your problem. For those who prefer speaking with someone directly, calling Amazon is another great option. In the United States, you can reach their general customer service line at 1-888-280-43331, which is available 24/7. When you call, be prepared to navigate a series of automated prompts. It's beneficial to have your account details on hand, such as your name and order number, to make the process as smooth as possible. If you're looking for written communication, you might wonder about emailing Amazon. While Amazon doesn't actively promote a direct email for general customer support, most queries are funneled through the Help Contact Us interface. However, for escalated concerns, some sources list specific emails like csreply@amazon.com or csescalations@amazon.com. It's important to note that email communication can sometimes be slower and might involve routing through various internal teams. Lastly, let's talk about social media. Amazon maintains a presence on multiple platforms, including an official support account known as @AmazonHelp on X, formerly known as Twitter. Social media can sometimes help in escalating your issue faster. You can send them a message or even tweet about your problem. Just remember, always be cautious about sharing personal information publicly. Opt for direct messages or private channels whenever possible for safety and privacy. And there you have it. These are some of the primary ways to get in touch with Amazon customer service. Whether you're chatting live, making a phone call, or reaching out via social media, these methods are designed to help you resolve your issues efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your experience with Amazon a bit smoother.